My dear friends, present days more popular and popular stay product without sugar or sugar-free. And today we demonstrate to you how to produce same bars from fruit mix paste. And it's very tasty and very healthy product. Let's see how to make it. The result of the forming is perfect from first rows in our machine. Good shaped bars, no wastes. Our machine is one of the best solutions for bar forming process. The process of production is very easy, and for maintenance need only one person. Generally speaking, it's one-man production plant.